The intelligent powdered beverage vending machine integrates smart stirring, instant dispensing, and multiple payment options. It supports multi-language systems and customizable interfaces, capable of serving protein shakes, instant coffee, juice powders, and nutrition drinks. It prepares fresh beverages in just seconds. With mobile app and web dashboard access, you can monitor sales data, manage recipes, and adjust flavors anytime. The automatic cleaning system ensures hygiene and stable performance, perfect for gyms, shopping malls, offices, and hotels.